This is a mode promotion for Andy. Play it Save Sean.
We got a special vid for you today. It is about this little supercomputer, smart little robot named COZMO. Wait. We're yelling and we should be quiet because he's actually sleeping. You guys you wanna wake him up?
Yeah.
All right, let's open up our app. Stay to the whole end of the video because it's gonna be awesome. We've got some goals today.
Say COZMO.
You wanna do goals? So we are going to, first, before we can get to the goals, have to connect COZMO. Let's see, it's searching. So basically, COZMO has his own Wi-Fi connection. So this dude is secure. There's no Wi-Fi connection needed for COZMO. There's no cloud storage. 100% safe and secure.
COZMO.
He actually understands and knows his environment, and watch this. Meet COZMO. Oh, leg. COZMO, this is Sean.
Hello. Hello.
COZMO, who's that? Sean! It says your name, Sean. Why are you drooling? We wanted to show Sean COZMO, but he's really late for a nap. Okay, you go sleep, you go sleep.
How do you know my name?
He's talking to you. Michael. Oh, he wants to play with you. These little things here are called power cubes, and they're how you interact with him. He can stack them, play games with them. Let's go ahead and check that out. What? So COZMO's got some games right here. Right now we're gonna check out this one called Quick Tap.
Drop it in my hand.
COZMO, we're trying to play a game. We are gonna play Quick Tap right now, a color matching game of fast reflexes and sharp wits. So put one cube in front of COZMO so he could see it. So let's actually put it here. Okay, put one cube in front of COZMO. It will turn white when he can see it. Continue. You wanna try 4 colors, 3 colors, 2 colors, or 1 color?
4.
4 colors. All right, so here we go. When the block lights up, 4 different colors, first one that taps it wins. Tap a flashing cube when you want to play. Round 1.
Oh man.
COZMO got 1 already.
Oh, he's so fast.
He is really fast. This little guy.
What?
This little guy he's made up of 300 parts inside of him. Like, this is legit, like, almost like human life.
What?
He's like our new little child.
Oh my goodness, COZMO's got 4 already.
What?
Oh, COZMO takes round 1. Like,
He beat
who
you?
wants to try? Oh, COZMO actually just beat Chase. But now look, whoa, what's he doing? But now look, we got this stuff called energy when you complete a game. And with energy, it fills up this meter. Oh, we're so close to 100. And then you get these 2 things here. These are sparks. And with these, you can unlock other cool things in this app. It'll actually ask you to play a game. So now it's asking for us to play with him. Sorry, COZMO. See, and he's sad because I said no. This little dude has hundreds of emotions. It's so crazy.
Hey dude, I'm your mommy.
No, you're not. Oh, he's.
He wants me to be his mom. It's so funny. You see, it's like they go, like it scans your face.
Yeah, no, it does. It scans your face, the environment, and knows where he's at. So he's actually aware of his surroundings. Like, you're supposed to keep him away from edges, but it's very unlikely he'll roll off because he knows that, like, all right, don't fall off the edge. If you guys want to know more about COZMO, you can check out, we put a link in the description. But let's go ahead and let's try this right here. Spark the Pounce on Fingers upgrade. There's this thing right here. Pounce on Fingers. Oh, what happened? He knocked it down?
Yeah.
Oh, well, he could actually do that right here with knock over stacks. But watch this. With this upgrade, COZMO sees movement on the ground in front of him, such as a finger. He will pounce on it. I'm gonna buy it, 1 spark. He's gonna pounce on your finger. Oh! Okay, COZMO, get Lexi's hand. Oh! So he can actually like do like a playful little attack. COZMO, come get it. Come get it, boy. Come on! Oh! All right, so check this out. Knock over stacks. We have 16 bits. We can unlock it using 8. Do you guys want him to knock over some stacks?
Yeah.
So you have to choose that upgrade. Anytime COZMO sees a stack, he will knock them over. Go ahead, Lex. Okay, watch out. COZMO's looking for a stack. He's mad. Don't do it, COZMO. Don't. No, COZMO. Don't do it. No. No, COZMO. Don't do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah. Yo, he's excited.
He was like,
Everybody do the COZMO cheer! Everybody do the COZMO cheer! Ooh, a motion chip charge. So look, we just got 100. Oh, you gotta tap it repeatedly. Tap, Lex, tap. Oh, Lexi's a master tapper. Check this out, we're getting more bits and some sparks, sweet. He can roll a cube. Do you guys wanna see that?
yeah.
Okay, here, Chase, you try now. Press roll a cube.
This?
Yep. And now, press it. COZMO prefers cubes to be right side up, so let's give him 1 cube. Hey, COZMO, come roll this cube, guy. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Yeah! What else does he have? He can stack cubes. Oh, he's doing a Papa Wheelie? Oh, COZMO got skills. Here he goes, here he goes. Here he goes. Come on, COZMO. He's stacking. Oh, he's got 1 block.
Now he has to
COZMO.
turn around.
He's so strong. Go, COZMO. Do it. You can do it. Which block? He doesn't know which one to choose.
To the green one.
That one. Yay! He's excited. He's
like,
happy. He also gets mad. You guys want to see this clip? When I beat him in quick tap and he got mad.
Who am I?
Mommy! Let's see this explorer mode. COZMO allows you to take control and explore the world through his eyes. Unlock. All right, let's see what this looks like. COZMO is getting ready to play. Explore indoor and well-lit spaces. Drive on flat surfaces. Be careful of falling off edges. Stay close to COZMO for best experience. Whoa! Dude! Okay, hold on. Tilt your device to steer.
Inside COZMO's brain.
We are inside COZMO's brain. Drag and hold to move COZMO forward. Drag to tilt COZMO's view up, down. Tilt your device to steer left and right. All right, Lexi. Dude, COZMO, look. COZMO can see you. Oh my goodness, so he's actually like face detecting Mike. Chase, make him drive forward. Whoa, now drive backwards.
Oh no, he's going off the edge.
What kind of dive was that?
I should go.
That was the worst dive ever.
I should go on top of this. It's light diving.
Yeah. Mike was doing like ballerinas.
COZMO, give me a kiss.
No. Don't you do it, COZMO. No. Oh, that is it. You're gonna kiss my wife, COZMO. I'm gonna smash you to pieces. Let me at it. Let me at it. I'm gonna smash it. I guess that's okay because Cosmo recognizes her as mommy. So it's a motherly kiss. I'll smash you.
Hi, Cosmo.
Oh, I think he thinks your breath
I
stinks.
think your breath stinks.
Stinks. He's not a garbage truck. No! Ah! Whoa! That was a close one. This guy forever continues to learn about his environment, the people. He'll recognize all of us, but when a stranger comes, you know. Oh, he's doing nice. Good job, Cosmo. He doesn't know the stranger, but we could introduce him. Oh, tap to locate cubes. Wait, let me try this. Oh God! I missed that. He attacked you? Wait. Maybe he's mad at you because you
Gave him too much kisses.
Yeah, maybe
So he's embarrassed.
Whoa!
Why is it doing that?
I don't know. We put him at the edge of a laptop and he's like afraid. Come on. Come get it. So he's mad. He wants it, but yeah, this is your target. Can I have it? Thank you. I put it on your head, Cosmo. Oh. Do you want it? Wait a minute. Keep away. Put one cube in front of Cosmo. It'll turn away when he can see it. Continue. Wow, he's fast. Oh my goodness, he's so quick. You gotta go duty? He's rubbing his butt on the cubes. Oh, dude, he needs toilet paper. Hold on.
Cosmo, did you not wipe?
I think Cosmo did a little poo-poo. There you go, buddy. Don't use cubes to wipe your boot, okay? Oh, that's so sick. Do you see that? Can you see that? All right, anyways, guys, that was a look at Cosmo. We've got a little fun thing still to come in this video, but for right now, that's it. You want to learn more? Check the link in the description. This dude is a beast. You know what I really like about this? It's like a real little human.
Yeah.
Like he recognizes you. He plays with you.
He gives kisses.
Yeah, he gives kisses. No more kisses.
He's a pet.
In the future, these things, like this is the start. Right here, this is like the future. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
Like,
really cool.
there's gonna be like legit robots that are gonna be like companions for people. And this dude is it. Like this is where it starts. This is awesome. So thumbs up if you like this dude. Look, I crushed it. We'll check you guys later. Have a fun day.
Peace out.
Oh, it's so messy. Thanks, Cosmo. Oh, I have so much homework. I didn't know you can do homework. Thanks, Cosmo.
Sean. Sean.
Have a fun day!
Oh, look at him! Ah, he's crazy! Cosmo, go get some rest, dude. We know you've been working hard. Sweet dreams and have a funnel night.
The year of Sean.
For your birthday, I brought you Santa Claus, so you can tell him what you want for Christmas, okay?
Ho ho ho.
Santa, this is my son Sean. Sean? That's Santa.